Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi 14R, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number. At first, open your phone dialer. Now enter keypad and let's provide a secret code. The code is *##06#. And you can see right after you enter it, your device information is displayed and you can smoothly read both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. You can also check serial number if you need. Tap on OK to exit. And then you can also find IMEI via settings. So at first, locate and open the settings. Go to About Phone. Scroll down and mark detailed info and specification. And here you will be able to find status and both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.